What vitamin is good for eyes? Vitamin A is an essential vitamin. It helps to maintain healthy eyes. It helps to protect and maintain the cells that line the front of the eye, which are important for clear vision. Vitamins C, E, and zinc are all important for eye health. Eating a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, and healthy foods. List 5 fruits and vegetables that are good for eyesight. There are fruits and vegetables that are good for your eyesight. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which helps to maintain healthy eyesight. Sweet potatoes are a source of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Spinach is a great source of lutein and zeaxanthine. Lutein and zeaxanthine are 2 powerful antioxidants. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps to protect the eyes from damage and inflammation caused by UV rays. Blueberries help to protect the eyes from damage. How long does it take to see the improvements in vision? It depends on the individual and the specific vision problem. It's important to be patient and consistent with your vision correction program to get the best results.